Imagine two individuals, Alex, with a six-figure income yet constantly battling financial stress, and Jamie earning modestly but confidently saving for the future. What makes their financial situation so different? It's not just about the size of the paycheck, but how they manage their money. Hello and welcome. Today, we're embarking on a journey to unravel the mysteries of effective money management. This book is our compass, guiding us through the complexities of personal finance. We'll explore key concepts in managing money, crafting a budget, and making smart investment choices. All these lessons are explained brilliantly in the book with relatable examples. If you often find yourself puzzled about where your money disappears each month, or if keeping track of your finances seems daunting, this video will be your guide. This book offers clear, actionable advice. It shows how Alex could learn from Jamie, turning income into savings, regardless of its size. Stay tuned as we delve into these insights and transform your approach to personal finance. Let's get financially smarter together. Part 1. Understanding Personal Finance Basics. One common misconception is that earning more money will solve all financial problems. However, the book insightfully explains that without proper management, more income can often lead to more spending, not more savings. The author emphasizes that financial literacy is about making informed choices. It's the foundation upon which all other financial decisions rest, from choosing the right insurance to investing in stocks or real estate. Through clear examples, Personal Finance for Dummies demystifies complex topics. It teaches that budgeting isn't about restricting freedom, but about understanding your cash flow and making money work for you. The book also highlights the importance of setting financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, buying a house, or preparing for retirement, financial literacy gives you the tools to achieve these goals. With financial literacy, you're equipped to make informed decisions. It's about understanding interest rates on loans, the impact of credit scores, and how to avoid unnecessary fees and charges. Now, I'm curious, what's your current understanding of personal finance? Is there an area you find confusing or want to know more about? Share your thoughts in the comments and let's learn together. Part 2. Budgeting and saving. It's not just about tracking expenses, it's about creating a roadmap for your financial journey. In this book, budgeting is likened to a financial GPS. The author vividly illustrates that without a budget, you're driving blind in your financial life. With it, you have a clear route to your goals. Here's a step-by-step guide. Start by listing your income sources, then your fixed and variable expenses. This simple act brings transparency to where your money is going. The book introduces the 50-30-20 rule: 50% of your income for necessities, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. It's a straightforward method to balance your financial priorities. A crucial part of budgeting, as explained in the book, is building an emergency fund. This fund acts as a buffer against life's unexpected financial surprises. Saving is a habit, not a one-time event. The author encourages setting up automatic savings transfers. This set-it-and-forget-it approach ensures you're consistently building your savings. Remember, your budget should reflect your personal goals and lifestyle. It's a living document that evolves as your life changes. Let's put this into practice with a 30-day budget challenge. For the next month, track every expense and income. Part 3. Managing debt. According to Eric Tyson, understanding debt is the first step towards managing it. The book clarifies how different types of debt, from credit cards to mortgages, affect your financial health differently. Notice these graphs. They illustrate a key concept from the book: the compounding effect of interest. This shows how quickly debt can grow if not managed properly. The author presents various strategies for reducing debt. One effective method is the debt avalanche. This involves paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, minimizing the total interest paid over time. Let's take inspiration from John's story, as shared in the book. John tackled $30,000 in credit card debt by consolidating his debts and focusing on higher interest rates first. It took discipline, but he became debt-free in 5 years. Creating a debt repayment plan is crucial. The book advises listing all your debts, organizing them by interest rate or balance, and then allocating your budget to systematically pay them off. An emergency fund is essential in debt management. It's a buffer that keeps you from falling back into debt in case of unexpected expenses. Celebrate small victories along the way to stay motivated, as suggested in the book. Regularly monitoring your debt reduction progress is key. Use tools or apps to track your payments and see the reduction in your overall debt balance. How do you approach debt management? Have you tried any of these strategies, or do you have a success story to share? Part 4. Investment Basics. The author simplifies investing into an accessible concept. It's not just about picking stocks, it's about making informed choices to grow your money over time. First, let's talk about stocks. The book describes stocks as shares of a company's profit and growth. When you buy a stock, you're essentially owning a piece of that company. Now, bonds. These are like IOUs from corporations or governments. You lend them money, and they pay you back with interest. It's generally a safer but lower return investment than stocks. Mutual funds are another key investment type. They pool money from many investors to buy a diversified mix of stocks, bonds, or other securities. It's a way to diversify your investments with less risk. The book highlights the risk-return trade-off. Higher potential returns often come with higher risks. It's about finding the right balance based on your individual risk tolerance and financial goals. Interestingly, Eric suggests starting small. Even if you're not ready for complex investments, simple options like a savings account or a retirement fund are great starting points. Investing is a long-term journey. The book emphasizes the importance of patience and consistency, highlighting the power of compound interest over time. Part 5. Insurance and Risk Management. The book simplifies insurance as a means to protect yourself from financial catastrophes. Whether it's health, car, or home insurance, each type plays a vital role in safeguarding your financial future. How do you choose the right insurance? The author suggests considering factors like your lifestyle, assets, and potential risks to determine the coverage you need. It's crucial to understand policy terms and conditions. The book stresses the importance of knowing what's covered, the policy limits, and the deductible amounts. Here are some quick tips from the book. Compare multiple policies, check for discounts, and review your insurance needs annually to adapt to life changes. Insurance is a key part of risk management. It's about making strategic decisions to protect your assets and reduce potential financial losses. The author advises regular review of your insurance policies. As your life changes, like a new house or a new job, so do your insurance needs. Finding a balance between adequate coverage and affordable premiums is key. It's not always about finding the cheapest option, but the most suitable for your specific situation. Part 6. Retirement Planning. The author emphasizes that it's never too early or too late to start. The book illustrates retirement planning as preparing for a long vacation. Just like you would plan meticulously for a dream trip, planning for retirement requires foresight, savings, and smart investment choices. The author breaks down retirement planning into stages. In your 20s and 30s, it's about starting to save. In your 40s and 50s, it's about maximizing and protecting your savings. One of the key insights from the book is the power of compound interest. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. The book describes various retirement accounts, 401ks, IRAs, Roth IRAs, and their benefits. It's about choosing the right mix to align with your retirement goals. Setting realistic retirement goals is crucial. The author suggests considering your desired lifestyle in retirement, expected expenses, and potential healthcare costs. Consistent contributions are vital. As your income grows, so should your retirement savings. The book advises adjusting your contributions with life changes like a higher salary or an inheritance. As you approach retirement, managing risk becomes more important. The book recommends gradually shifting from high-risk investments to more stable options to protect your nest egg. For personalized advice, consider consulting a financial advisor. They can help tailor your retirement plan to your specific needs, as suggested in the book. Start planning for your retirement today, regardless of your age. It's a journey that requires patience, persistence, and proactive planning. Your future self will thank you. Part 7. Tax Planning and Filing. The book starts with the basics, understanding different tax brackets, deductions, and credits. It simplifies complex tax jargon, making it accessible for everyone. Effective tax strategies can lead to substantial savings. The author highlights how maximizing deductions and credits can significantly lower your tax liability. Organization is key in tax planning. The book suggests maintaining a folder for all tax-related documents throughout the year, receipts, statements, charitable donations, to ease the filing process. Here's a valuable insight from tax expert Jane Smith. Understanding and utilizing tax laws can make a noticeable difference in your financial health. Timely filing is crucial. As the book advises, filing late can lead to penalties and interest charges, which are unnecessary expenses you want to avoid. The author also touches on the importance of adjusting tax withholdings. If too much is withheld, you're giving an interest-free loan to the government. Too little, and you might face a hefty bill at year's end. Major life events like marriage, buying a home, or starting a business have significant tax implications. The book guides you through these changes and how to adjust your tax strategy accordingly. For complex situations, the book recommends using tax software or consulting a tax professional. They can provide tailored advice and help uncover deductions you might miss. Empower your financial future by taking charge of your tax planning today. Stay informed, stay organized, and remember, smart tax planning is a year-round activity. What are your experiences with tax planning and filing? Any tips or questions you'd like to share? If you found value in this video, please show your support by subscribing, liking, and sharing it with others who might benefit. Your engagement helps us grow a community dedicated to financial empowerment. And remember, the journey to financial literacy is ongoing. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep striving towards your financial goals.